How to see who liked you on Plenty of Fish dating application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily see who liked you or matched with you on dating app Plenty of Fish. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the Plenty of Fish application and log in with your account details. After that, as you can see, the heart icon has 3 above it. That means 3 people have liked your profile on Plenty of Fish. So to view it, you simply need to upgrade your membership in this application. Once you click on the heart icon, you can see the option to upgrade the membership, that is to become a premium member on this application. So that's it. That is how easily you can see who liked you on Plenty of Fish dating app. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.